Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and today I want to show you a simple exercise on how to practice proper lifting. Because in some of the videos before I showed you how to properly bend down or how to properly lift a heavy object. Now, one exercise that you can use to practice lifting will be using a cane, or you can use a long umbrella or a stick. And what you can do with it is you can actually put it flat against your back like this. Like I mentioned before, when you're lifting, you want to use your legs, right? You want to squat. Now, what you can do is use the cane or the umbrella or the stick and then put it flat against your back. So this will be your guide. This will keep your back straight. And what you want to do is now you want to practice like squatting down. Imagine I'm picking up something from the floor, or let's say I'm just simply bending down. So I'm gonna keep my back straight, flat against the cane, and then go down and come back up. And you can go down and come back up. Compared to how most people do it is they bend down this way, and you see the back came off of the cane. So you want to keep it straight. This will be your feedback. You do this several times until you get used to it, and that will become a normal pattern, normal habit for you. And that's how it will become instinctual for you, that when you're bending down, you're actually using your legs and keeping your back straight. I hope you like this video, and you can follow us on Facebook, and you can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.